when you import one or several objects in Wrapstyler, they're identified by their name. This individual name is based on the original file name and appears in the Project Explorer. Visually, however, the default color is the same for all imported objects, which can make it difficult to tell them apart at a glance. Fortunately, this setting can be changed in the global preferences of Wrapstyler in the Inputs/Outputs section. It is possible to choose between several palettes, which will assign a random individual color to each imported object, or a single color for all the imported objects. In this case, choose the color by clicking the corresponding button.